Hey guys, so this is a strange squealing noise that my car's been making for a while. Just gonna leave it on the hood so you guys can hear. As you can see, I'm pretty desperate to get that noise fixed. Pretty embarrassing stuff. Also, there's another noise. It's like there's something loose down there, and I'm guessing it's the spring, because whenever I push down on the hood, let's see if I can get a good sound for this. That's another strange noise, and whenever I go over any bump, it sounds like that as well. Hopefully you guys can help me, and thanks again for looking.